Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today I brought a red velvet cake recipe for the beginners and I will show them step by step how to make it. Let's start making. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To make red velvet cake, we need buttermilk. Let's make buttermilk. Here I am taking half a cup of milk and 2 tablespoons white vinegar. I will mix it and keep it aside. That's it. Here I am taking 1 cup all-purpose flour, one teaspoon baking powder, and 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. I will mix it, then sieve it and put it aside. Here I am taking 2 large eggs. Now I will separate the egg yolk. Now I will beat the egg whites on medium speed until the soft peaks form. Now I will add half a cup of sugar in 3 batches in it and mix well. Now it's the time to add egg yolk in it. I will add egg yolk one at a time in it and mix well. Now is the time to add buttermilk in it and beat for a while in low speed. Now it's time to add half a cup vegetable oil in it. Now here goes half teaspoon vanilla extract in it. And finally here goes food color in it. Here I am using 1 tablespoon. Now is the time to add dry ingredients in it. I will add dry ingredients in 4 to 5 batches and use the spatula to fold it gently. Now it's ready to pour in a mold. Here I will bake the batter in 2 batches. Here I am using 8 inches round mold. Very important step, tap the molds to remove the air bubble. Oven is preheated. It is set on 180 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 365 degrees Fahrenheit and gas mark 4. Bake the cake for about 30 minutes. Prick the cake to check either it's baked or not, and you can see the wooden stick is clear. That means cake is nicely baked. Now it's time to prepare frosting. First thing first, add 500 cream cheese. And beat well. Now it's the time to add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence in it. Now it's soft and smooth. It's time to add sugar. I will add sugar in 3 batches and mix well. Now is the time to fold heavy cream in it. Guys, here I am using 300 gram whipping cream. If you are using fresh cream, so beat it until the stiff peaks form. First thing first, we apply frosting. to make base. Let's decorate the cake. Here are some suggestions: cake crumbs, sugar shaped decoration, fresh fruits, edible glitters. Here is my red velvet cake. I try to give the step-by-step information for the beginners and baby dolls. I hope this video will be useful for them. If you like my video, please give me feedback and give the thumbs up of my video. I will bring more tutorial videos for you. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.